Hello folks, Joe G here with Masshole e-bikes and drones. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have the Mini 5 Pro from DJI with me. And what I was looking to do is to see how well it performs in its return to home with the sun having set and it getting rather dark out here. So let's get the drone in the air and let's see how it does. Okay, letting the drone hover at 21 feet just to get its bearings. And now let's head on up and see how it does. Okay, so we'll take her up to about 120 feet or so. Okay, let's get that gimbal level and let's head out towards the sunset. I'm gonna go out about 1,000 feet or so and then I'm gonna let it return to home and see how close we get to the landing pad. Okay, approaching 1,000 feet. Okay, and now let's hit that return to home and let's see how close we can get. Now as it lands, because it is getting dark, you should see the landing lights come on. Hopefully it'll be right over the pad. You will see the feature it has where it sort of indicates its shadow where it's about to land. Hopefully we'll see that right over the pad. Okay, there's the shadow. Now you can see the light coming on. And it looks like that shadow feature, let me put that back down again. Looks like it's coming down right on the center of the pad. Perfect. Okay, so there you go. That's the return to home feature on the DJI Mini 5. With the sun having set and it already being pretty dark out here, it landed pretty much exactly where it took off from. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, if you could do me a favor, if you could hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take care.